G'day guys, if you have a Subaru Key Fob that looks like this, the chances are it's going to run out of battery while you own it at some point. And when that time comes, you'll need to replace it with a CR2032 battery. The great thing is you can get one of these batteries from Amazon or your local supermarket or department store. They're very easy to find. If you do want help, there is a link in the description for exactly this particular type of battery for your convenience. Now, let's show you how to change the battery on your Subaru Key Fob. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is pull your key out like so. So you'll see here, this is the normal slot where your key goes in, but this little slot here with the tiny little silver square looks to be a very similar size, doesn't it? So we're just going to insert the key into the back of the key fob here too. Now this side has a bit of an opening and we want to kind of have the opening on that side of the silver square. So if we just kind of insert this gently, we'll have it in like that. Then we just want to flip the case over and we'll kind of use this key to kind of anchor the cover off. There you go. So now the cover is off. Now we want to gently pop the top off. Now when you've got it open, the circuit board will just kind of fall out. It's very loosely in there. It's not connected or anything like that. So make sure you do open it this side up so it doesn't fall out. And underneath you just see this little rubber protector and everything too. Now that could fall out too. Don't worry, it's very easy to put back in. And now we've got our circuit board. Here are our 3 buttons to unlock and lock the car and so on and so forth. We don't need to worry about that. So here is the back, and now we just need to pop the battery off. It does take a little bit of force to pop the battery off, but don't worry, it is supposed to come off this way. So you could probably even get away with a butter knife or something, but just stick that under there on the side, and there you go. The battery is out. There we go. That's the old one. You can get rid of that. And now we need to pop this battery out. But once we've got the battery, it's very easy just to slot it back in. Just do the chip side first to get it under the slot. And then we just push it in. Just careful not to squish on any circuitry. There we go. So now that we've got our battery in, we literally just drop it straight back into our remote. And now we just put the cover back on and we're done. Done. And now that we're back up and running, lights on, lights on, lights on. So I hope that helped you save a few dollars in getting your battery replaced at your dealer. And if you do want to buy a battery like this straight away, there are links in the description, but they are very, very easy to find. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe if you found it helpful. Have a good one. See ya.